So where are we today, Marcel?
Well, today and for a couple more weeks, we are in Busan.
Yeah, we are going to be exploring for the first time. This is our first day really out and about, and we're going to look for future locations to record sounds, and maybe we'll record sounds today. We don't know, but why don't you come with us?
Yeah, let's have a good time, and we show you around Busan. That's the thing, you know, if you record sounds, for example, I want to put the geophone on it, but I also want to show you the city.
We've only walked about 2 feet.
It's the thing, you know, you have only so much amount of time. So what should we do? Should we record this or should we move on? You know what, I can always record this alone. That's why you should always follow us on Instagram too. Then I would show you this.
Oh, if I had a way to cook it, I would buy it. Wow. Wow. What does Seoul and Busan have in common? The yogurt lady!
By the way, the T-Money card that we got in Seoul for train and buses also works here in Busan. And in Gwangju too. Now this elevator is interesting because you have to hold the button. See? And then it stops. Oh. And now though.
Oh, jeez.
Good sound. Almost there.
We could have also just walked up these stairs. Feels like we've been walking for about 15 minutes. It's so cool. You can literally find anything you're looking for in this stretch. Would you say?
Yes. The wood station, is it? Right here.
Go to exit 1. It'll take you a long time to get there. You have an idea?
Sound of the wind. Oh. This is like a spaceship, I think. Let's see. Put the money in here.
So Marcel, what did you think of your experience?
Great. These chairs are amazing.
I thought it was really stressful. It's almost as if you're getting your blood pressure taken and it gets very, very tight and you think, it shouldn't be this tight. Well, that's what I experienced the last 10 minutes. But you liked it.
I loved it.
Okay, see you never. Look at the color of this water. Looks just like the Missouri, right? Sioux City.
So we just came back to the bridge. By the way, the bridge is dated back to 1930. Just looked that up on Google. It only opens up once a day at 2 p.m. And now we're here waiting. And if it opens up, then I definitely record this from different positions. Not just from here, from the other side, from above. Maybe I have a hydrophone in the water. Because we're 2 weeks here in Busan, so there's a lot to record. If it happens or not, it's definitely a great ambience. So just listen to the ambience right now. Because it sounds really nice here, industrial. Yeah, you know, if there's no big ship coming, why would they open it? But on the other side, open it every day up and down is good because it's such an old bridge, and to maintain it, you have to use it.
The bridge expert.
Yeah, the bridge expert right here.
So we're still here, walking around Busan, and we're about to go to the Jalgalchi. We're not sure if that's how you say it, but it's the biggest fish market here in Korea.
Go check out the observation deck. Now these are the places that I like to record stealth, just walk around really slow, but it's a tough edit because there's a lot of music, people are on the phone, so you can actually record a lot of stuff that you have to later edit out, what is really fun to do. Even this is free. You don't have to put money in. Busan Tower is about 12,000 won, about $10, and this is free. And you're closer to the water. I think the Busan Tower is definitely nice, but we didn't pay for it because we're not travel vloggers. We have to do that. No, we're cheapskates. You want to listen how it sounds like Busan from the observation deck? I can make this possible. And we're starting in 3, 2, 1. That was nice, right? It was a great sound.
Behind the scenes, we got some drinks about 20 minutes ago, and you can't find trash cans here in Korea, but especially here in Busan because we haven't seen one.
But there are trash cans, but it's hard to find.
Yeah.
When you go to a 7-Eleven,
Yeah.
you haven't seen this one, or a Nice to See You, or a GS25.
Or parks, but just on the street, it's
Tough.
It's really tough. Roads are a little bit more bumpy here. We're on our way to the beach.
Yeah, we should end this video at the beach.
I think so, it's a good idea. We're around here right now, and now we're gonna walk to here.
But we're not walking on the sand. But
That's the destination.
I don't want sand in my shoes.
No.
There's definitely
Some potential, huh?
But didn't he put up like this?
Just like it.
Oh, we made it to the end of the bridge. That means it is
The end of the video.
yes. So thank you so much for watching. We hope we could show you a little bit about Busan. There's a lot more to see here. It's a fantastic city. So if you ever come to Korea, make sure that you visit Busan.
And we have more videos coming up here as well. So subscribe if you haven't already. And
Right.
we'll see you very soon.
Bye bye.